Good afternoon, good morning, children. So, we'll start the maths revision 4 solutions. See, express the following as improper fractions. So, you have got a mixed fraction, and if you look at it, even the mixed fraction, the fraction part is improper over here. Usually, you'll find proper fractions, but I gave you some improper fractions so that you have a practice of doing this as well. So, now let's look at it. Look at the first sum. 9 7 over 5. So what do? You multiply the denominator with the whole number. So 5 into 9, look at the second step over there. So 5 into 9, if you look at it, within brackets, plus 7 over 5. So 9 5 is 45, 45 plus 7 over 5. So you get 52 over 5 as your answer. Now, since you are already converting an improper fraction into another improper fraction, you might not get the exact result as the same mixed number. See, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are. So, it can give you another mixed number as well. So, don't try to check it like that because it's already an improper fraction with the whole number. So, had it been 9 5 over 7, the things would have been different. Then it would have been, so let's try and do 9 5 over 7. So let's do it. 9 5 over 7. So what do we do here? We multiply these two, and after multiplying we add this, right? So what do? 7 into 9 within brackets plus 5 over 7, yes. So what do? 63 plus 5 over 7, yes. So 63 plus 5 over 7 would give you how much? 68 over 7. Now you try to convert this into a mixed number. So 7 9s are 63, right? 7 9s are 63. 68 minus 63 is 5. So 9 5 over 7. So you have got the exact number. This number and this number are the same. But because we are changing already a mixed fraction where the fraction part was an improper fraction. So what happens is we might not get the exact result when we divide this final answer. We might not get 9 7 over 5 because when you do 52 over 5, right? So you'll get 10 2 over 5. So you'll get a proper fraction over here. Do you understand? But just to keep you updated, I gave you an improper fraction already over there. Similarly, now let's look at the second part. 11 3 over 2. Same thing, 11 into 2 plus 3. So this will lead to the answer, right? So I'm focusing on this. I think this is self-explanatory. 17 4 into 3. 17 4 by 3, right? So 17 into 3 plus 4, right? 22 9 over 7, the same thing happens. 22 into 7 plus 9 over 7, right? But the steps are very important. I hope you have done the steps. 10 8 over 5, the same thing. 10 into 5 plus 8 over 5, so 58 over 5. Now this is another one which you have done a lot in class as well. For the new students, they must pay attention. 45 over 8. So you divide the numerator by the denominator. So 8 5s are 45, right? 8 5s are 40, not 35, sorry. 8 5s are 40. So 45 minus 40 is 5. So what's your answer? The formula for this is what? Quotient. This is the quotient, okay? Remainder. This is the remainder over the denominator or the divisor. So Q R over D is the formula, and that is what you get as an answer. Now you can change this into an improper fraction. 8 into 5, 40, right? 40 plus 5 is 45. So 45 over 8 will be your answer over here. So I hope this is clear to everyone. 79 over 14, the same thing. Divide 79 by 14. Whatever is the quotient, that becomes your whole number over there, right? And whatever is the remainder becomes your numerator upon the denominator. So easy sums, already we are just revising right now. So the month of July should be for revision. 83 over 9. So 9 9s are 81. 2 is the remainder. So 9 2 over 9. Right. 98 over 12. So 12. 8s are 96. So 8 2 over 12. Yes. 113 over 11. The same thing. 11 10s are 110. Right. So 3 over 11. 10 3 over 11 is your answer. Now, coming to the next concept where we had to add two numbers with the different denominators. So what's the first thing that we are going to do? The first thing that we are going to do is find the LCM of 17 and 8. Take all the prime factors. 2, 17 cannot be divided, but 8 can be. So 2, 4 is 8, 2, 2 is 4. So 3 times 2 and 17 will be divided only by 17 because it's a prime number. So LCM will be whatever you get here, right? So 2 into 2 into 2 into 17. 136 is the LCM. Now you have to see what happens. How do we get 136? 17 into 8 will be 136. So you multiply the numerator by the same number. The same thing happens over here, right? So 136 is the common denominator, and when you multiply the numerator, you will get two numbers. You add them, and this is your answer. It's a proper fraction, so you don't have to change it into a mixed number. Same thing over here. Come to the next one, but steps are very important, children. Focus on the steps. That is, if you have not written the steps, please write them. 4 over 25 plus 3 over 75. 5 is the common factor, right? So 5 and then 3. So 5 into 5 into 3 is 75, right? So 25 into 3 is 75, 75 into 1. So 12 plus 3, 15 over 75. You can further reduce it because 15 can divide 75. 15 5 is 75. So 1 over 5 is your final answer. The same thing, 8 over 12 plus 7 over 60. So LCM, right? And then you get 60 as the LCM. 12 5s are 60. So 8 5s are 40. 1 is 60 and 7 1s are 7. So 47 over 60 is your next answer. Now let's look at the next sum. 9 over 14 plus 4 over 45. Now this is a good one. See, now let's look at the LCM part of it. I hope this is clear to you, not dark. So 2 can divide 14, yes. 2 is a prime number. So 2 7s are 14. 45 comes here. 5 is a prime number, right? 7 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. So you keep on dividing till you get 1 1 over here. Now multiply all of them. 2 into 5 into 7 into 3 into 3. 630. Now 630. How many times? 45 times. 14 into 45 gives you 630 and 45 into 14 gives you 630. So some calculations. Use your Vedic maths. 45 into 9 and 7 into 14. Add the numbers. This is the answer. Look at the next one. 6 over 17 plus 3 over 34. So 34 is the LCM. Right. So 17 into 2 is 34. So 6 into 2 is 12. 3 into 1 and 15 over 34. So I hope you got all the sums right and you have written all the steps. Especially the children who shy away from writing the steps must write them down. And if you have not written the steps, please cross them, rewrite, redo. Thank you and see you in the next maths class. Thank you very much.